Did you know a cozy winter doesn't have to mean sky-high energy bills? Today, I'm revealing the top 5 indoor propane heaters safe for home use that keep you warm and worry-free. Stick around, I'll show you the best picks, and you can grab them safely through links in the description. At number 5 is Dreo 1000, 500-watt ceramic. What if you could enjoy the warm, safe feeling of a top indoor heater without dealing with fuel tanks or combustion concerns? Enter the Dreo 1500-watt ceramic heater, priced at $49.99. Compact yet powerful, it tackled my chilly 12 multiply 20 feet room in minutes, thanks to its rapid heat, ceramic element, and 70-degree oscillation. Safety features like tip-over shut-off and overheating protection gave me real peace of mind, especially when compared to flame-based indoor propane heater options. It outclasses many in the top 5 indoor propane heater safe home use lists when you prioritize plug-and-play convenience and quiet operation. On the flip side, if you need mega FTU output or off-grid fuel versatility, a propane model may still hold the edge. For most home users seeking safe, effective warmth with minimal fuss, this is a smart buy. And number 4 is Haoteey Propane Patio. What if one heater could give you powerful warmth and a true sense of safety in your home setup? The Haoteey Propane Patio heater, priced around $130 to $2.99, brings 6,000, 18,000 BTU of heat and built-in tip-over and oxygen depletion sensors, ticking key boxes for those hunting safe home use indoor propane-style solutions. Its mobility means you can shift it from garage to patio with ease. I felt immediate relief knowing the ODS feature adds a layer of peace of mind missing from some generic top indoor propane heater picks. On the flip side, it still relies on propane fuel and ventilation. So if you were expecting a plug-and-play electric experience, it may feel heavier to manage. Compared with an electric indoor model in our list, this delivers more raw heat, but demands more care. If you have a semi-enclosed space and want robust warmth with safety built in, this is a smart buy. If you prefer minimal fuss and tiny indoor rooms, you might skip it. On number 3 is Mr. Heater 9000 BTU. What if you found a heater that combines the convenience of indoor propane use with the confidence of professional-grade safety? The Mr. Heater Portable Buddy 9000 BTU, priced at $89.00, delivers just that. Designed for top 5 indoor propane heater-safe home use scenarios, it outputs 4,000 or 9,000 BTU per hour and covers up to 225 square feet. It features an oxygen depletion sensor and tip-over shut-off to give you real peace of mind. You'll feel relief the moment you turn it on and sense warmth spreading across your space. On the flip side, compared to larger models, it's limited in coverage and still requires proper ventilation, so it's not a perfect fit for massive open-plan rooms. If you have a modest area and want a reliable, safe indoor propane heater option, this is a smart buy. If you need huge output for warehouse-size space or minimal ventilation requirements, consider a higher B2U alternative. At number 2 is ETTFGUH, a large room. What if your large living room could feel as snug as a cozy fireplace with 0 fuel tanks and minimal setup? The ETTFGUH 37-inch tower ceramic space heater, priced at $169.99, promises exactly that. Within moments, it buzzes to life thanks to its 1500-watt PTC element and wide 90-degree oscillation that wraps warmth around the room. Compared against the top indoor propane heater safe home use picks, this electric option skips the ventilation worries and flame hazards. But if you're after the raw BTU punch of propane, you'll notice the difference. On the plus side, remote control, tip-overs, and overheat protection give you real peace of mind. On the downside, it lacks that high superheat horned feel some propane heaters bring. If you've got a large indoor space and prioritize safety plus comfort, this is a very smart buy if you want max heat for giant open zones or prefer propane's style. Check out those alternatives. Now, moving to the last one, is the Boss Propane Small. What if a small heater could outrun your coldest nights and give you peace of mind in your home? The Boss Propane Small, priced at $89.99, steps right into that space, especially if you're shopping for a safe, reliable indoor propane option from your top 5 indoor propane heater safe home use list. Right away, you feel the relief. Up to 6,000 BTU for quick warmth, equipped with tip-over and low-oxygen sensors, so you're not left wondering about safety. Compared to some of the bigger indoor propane heaters, this unit trades max supply for compact size and ease of use. making it a smart fit for bedrooms or small lounges instead of massive open spaces. Pros are excellent value, portability, strong safety features. Cons are coverage is limited, and if you've got a large area, you might need something stronger. If you want a smart, safe choice for a modest indoor space, this is worth buying. If you need huge heating power or have a sprawling room, consider stepping up. I chose the Dreo 1500-watt ceramic heater as the winner. It delivers fast, whisper-quiet warmth in indoor spaces and checks all the safety boxes, tip-over and overheat protection included. Its plug-in simplicity avoids the fuel and ventilation worries common with indoor propane-like heaters, making it a smart, easy choice for safe home use. You want reliable comfort without fuss. This is the unit to buy. So guys, this was the video about the top 5 indoor propane heaters safe home use. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.